Hi, I'm Rocky Butani from Private Lender Link. We're at the California Mortgage Association's summer seminar in San Diego, and we try to interview different service providers and lenders and share insights with CMA members and anyone in the private mortgage industry. Right now, I'm joined by Joseph from Mortgage Automator.
Thank you very much for having me, Rocky. Really
Thanks
appreciate
for coming
it.
all the way from Toronto to San Diego.
Of course.
Just for the CMA.
100%.
So Mortgage Automator is a software company. You provide software for private lenders specifically.
Correct.
Right, and so one of the things that a lot of lenders ask me about, because they think I'm a technology company, but I'm not, but they think I know about tech and I don't, but a lot of people always have this concern about if they're exploring using loan origination software and servicing software, they already have a CRM, they have all their data built up, they have their contacts, they do their marketing. Can they still keep that CRM and use it with something like Mortgage Automator, and how does that work as far as integrating?
Absolutely. And yeah, so what we do is we do encourage, for example, having people have their own potential CRMs. What happens is we've built an open API connectivity. So essentially, any lenders can connect their existing CRMs to ours. We can push data back. We can import data in, save them time from having to do double data entry. We understand, the growing needs of clients in today's day and age. It's no longer just about doing everything manually. We have to create these efficiencies in order to sort of make their lives a lot easier. I think there's a lot of competition today, and we need to be able to stick out and provide a service that is hands down far better than anything else in the market, and we're doing everything in our capacity to do that right now, and we're just listening to our customers. I think the biggest thing is listening to the needs of what people need, want, and we're hearing them, we're building it at an extraordinary, such a crazy rate just because the needs are just there right now. So we could definitely accommodate from that perspective. And then it allows us to essentially allow them to originate their loans and then go straight to servicing as like an all-encompassing one platform.
Okay, nice. But as far as a CRM goes, let's say there's a lender that doesn't have a CRM like Salesforce or Hubspot or whatever, and they don't need the marketing automation. Does Mortgage Automator have a basic CRM for them to just collect data about their borrowers and brokers?
Absolutely. Okay. We can track all borrower data. We can track broker information, investor information, lawyer information, insurance information. Again, we are not rebuilt as a marketing tool. If you are using like a HubSpot or a Pipedrive, we encourage you to continue using those systems as that's what they were built for. We are strictly trying to take care of the mortgage side of things, but if they're not looking to go to that level, they're looking just for the basic CRM capabilities, we absolutely have those features built into Automator today.
Excellent. Glad to hear. So everyone, if you're looking for a software solution for your private lending business, check out Mortgage Automator, mortgageautomator.com, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, so check it out and reach out to Joseph if you have any questions.
Thank you so much, Rocky. Really appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.